friends, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am the creator of this channel. I am a Saint Beauty artist and I also am a DIY lash enthusiast, but I do some other things on my channel as well. A lot of beauty, skincare, some fashion, just a little bit of everything. The whole point of my channel is I just like talking about different products and helping people out. And I feel like there's so many products that are on the market. There's just a product overload. And I don't know about you, but I don't have time to go through and try everything. And I don't have the money to go through and try everything. So I like to do these videos to help you guys. If you are looking at a particular product, maybe this video will help you. If you're looking at a particular brand, maybe these videos will help you. So that's kind of the point of this whole channel. It's just education and help you guys save time and money. So today's video is going to be on, it's going to be a short video. There's not much like before and after, because I'll be honest with you, I didn't see a lot of before and after, like as far as the necklines, but I'll kind of get into that. But today's video is going to be on the Dermalogica Neck Fit Contour Cream. My voice is going out because today I decided to do a video and my voice said, hey, today, why don't we just decide to go out? But anyways, this is sold at Ulta. I got this because, as you can see, I have these tech necklines or these necklace lines. I feel like my face is pretty wrinkle-free. I have a little bit of fine lines and wrinkles, but nothing bad. But you could see that my age is obviously showing in my neck and chest, and it drives me insane. So perusing through Ulta, looking for something specific on the neck, and that's when I came to this. I liked it because it had the little roller thing. And Dermalogica just seems like a pretty decent brand, and I feel like there's a lot of people, like they kind of have a cult following. I'm not particularly, I haven't really dived into that brand, but I know that this brand is highly regarded, and so I figured might as well try it out. So it retails for $85 for 1.7 ounces. That is a lot. And hence the reason why I wanted to do this video, to see if you guys are looking into something like this, you know, what are the results? Would I recommend it? All that stuff. So basically what it says is ditch horizontal lines known as tech neck and loose, crepey skin. It helps to minimize fine lines and wrinkles while toning over time. And it says it smooths and firms skin with retinol-like results. So I'll put the link below so you can see the full description. But basically, I've been using this for probably, I want to say 3 to 4 months. And I have kind of like a love-hate relationship, and I'll explain in a second. As far as my tech necklines, I did not see any decrease in them at all. But in saying that, I feel as though my lines are very, very deep. And I feel like I need something more than just a serum. Like, it's gotten to the point where I'm like, I'm looking at fillers and other variety, Morpheus 8. Like I have to do something hardcore on my neck, because it's got to the point where I feel like those lines are just past the point of serum help. Now, in saying that, I've had these lines since I was in my 20s. It's just hereditary. It's not necessarily that my skin is bad. Well, actually it is, my skin is bad on that area. But to me, I feel like if you have the starting out of these tech necklines, if they're not super deep and they're very superficial, I feel like this would actually help. I feel like this would, because the product itself does firm, and that is the one thing that I did notice. Even though I did not notice any diminishment in the lines, I did notice a better result for my skin. So I do have kind of that crepey, kind of that loose skin. And I felt like when I was using this product consistently, day and night, that I felt like that area was a lot more tightened. I feel like it didn't hang as much. And I felt like my skin, just the elasticity felt better. But it's one of those things, like, you have to continue using it. I have not used it in probably a couple weeks, and I can tell that my skin already is starting to have that droopy effect. So it's almost like the hemorrhoid cream from the under eyes, you know, it has an ingredient that is a temporary, like kind of suck in, but if you don't continue using it, the results are not going to be, you know, they're not everlasting results. So to me, I did like it. I will be repurchasing it because I did like that kind of loose. I felt like it did help with that skin. And what I want to do is go ahead and do some kind of like filler or pedio threads or whatever they're called. I don't know if that will help. I have to go get some consultations, but I think some filler there, maybe a little Botox. And then if I use this consistently, I think I will get the results that I want. But if you are somebody like me that has deep lines, this is not going to help you. But if you're somebody who has that superficial lines, you're just starting to see those lines come out, I think this is kind of, to me, like Botox. It's like a preventative. If you get it before, it gets too bad, I think it can help fill in those fine lines and then help suck in that skin so it helps not get worse over time, if that makes sense. But you're going to have to continue using it forever because the results are, it says that it helps minimize fine lines and wrinkles while toning skin over time. Like maybe after 6 months or a year, the serum in there, your skin will never go back to the way it is, but you're still going to have those aging. Gravity is still going to have an effect on it. So I just feel like if you're going to start using this product, it is a product that you have to continue to use over the time. But that's with any product. We're all aging. It sucks. It is what it is. But I do feel like this was worth the $85. I will be repurchasing it, and I would recommend it for the superficial lines. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave your comments below if you have any questions. Until next time, bye.